Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. So, this is our second video of class 7 computer. In this video, we are going to cover exercises of chapter number 2. So, here we start with fill in the blanks. First part is the base of binary number system is dash. So, answer is 2. Second is the base of dash system is 10. So, answer is decimal number. Third is octal number system consists of dash digits. So answer is 8. Next part is in binary addition 1 plus 1 equals to dash. So answer is 10. Next is dash number system is understood by the computer system. So answer here is binary. Next sixth part is dash uses 16 symbols to represent numbers. So answer is hexadecimal. So last part is in binary subtraction 1 minus 1 equals to dash. So answer is 0. Now see, state true or false. First part is you cannot perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers. So this is false. We can perform the operation. Second is the decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. This is true. Third is the method to perform division of two binary numbers is not same as that of decimal numbers. So this is false. Fourth is 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. So this is true. Fifth is Charles Babbage introduced the concept of 0. So answer is false. Who introduced the concept of 0? Aryabhat. Sixth is the number used in octal number system are 1 to 7. This is false because it uses 0 to 7. Next is application based question. First is Ratika's computer teacher asks her to convert the octal number to decimal. Suggest her the method which she should apply in converting the octal number. So answer is she should start multiplying the digits of numbers from RHS with increasing power of 8 starting with 0 and then sum the products. Second part is the teacher has given an assignment to Saurabh on binary subtraction. Saurabh is confused how to subtract 1 from 0. Help him in solving the problem. Answer is 0 minus 1 equals to 1 as 1 is borrowed. So 10 minus 1 equals to 1. Next question is multiple choice question. First is dash introduce the concept of 0. So who introduced concept of 0? Aryabhat. Second is a dash converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. So answer here is digital computer. Third is a computer understand only dash code. So answer is binary code. Fourth is in binary multiplication 1 into 1 equals to dash. So 1 into 1 equals to 1 only. Fifth and the last part is to convert decimal number into binary number, divide the number by dash. So answer is 2. Now next is answer the following. First question is explain number system and its commonly used type. So answer here is the computer uses set of values to represent different quantities. Such set of values include numbers 0 to 9, alphabet A to Z and some special characters. These set of values are shown as number system. First is binary number system, second is decimal number system, third is octal number system and fourth is hexadecimal number system. The base of number system is the number of digits used in it. Now see next question. What are the rules to convert a decimal number into binary number? Answer is to convert a decimal number into binary number, follow the given rules. First rule is divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Second is write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Third is repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. See question number 3. Write the rules to multiply two binary numbers. So answer is the rules for performing multiplication using binary numbers are as follows. You have to make this table A, B, A into B equals to C. When A is 0, B is 0, So 0 into 0 equals to 0. When A is 0, B is 1, 0 into 1 equals to 0. When A is 1, B is 0, 1 into 0 equals to 0. And when A is 0 and B is also 0, then 1 into 1 equals to 1. Question number 4 is briefly explain the octal number system. So answer is the octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. Since it uses 8 digits, so its base is 8. Examples are given. You can see the procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion only. The only difference is the change of base. Now see the last question. What do you understand by hexadecimal number system? So answer is this number system consists of 16 digits, numbers 0 to 9 and the letters A to F, where A to F represent the decimal numbers from 10 to 15. The base of this number system is 16. So students, these exercises you can do in your books and answers you can note in your notebooks. Thank you.